Hello guys. Are you having issues with your transmission in your Lexus? Is your Lexus harsh downshifting when coming to a full stop from third to second or second to first gear? Are you also having problems upshifting smoothly? Then I think that I have the solution for you. Stay with me in that video. And I know that a lot of you are going to ask, why do you think that you can fix my issue when I've gone to numerous mechanics and they've said that transmission is faulty and needs to be replaced? Well, basically, I've had the same issue, and my symptoms are as follows. I had a rough time downshifting from third to second and second to first gear when coming to a full stop. Also, when the car was colder, I had no issues, but when it warmed up, then the problems basically arrived. And I also had some slight stutter sometimes when upshifting as well. Basically, what I did was I changed the electronic control module or the electronic control unit, the ECU or the ECM, which is the same in that car. Then I reprogrammed it and I fixed my issue. And if you stay with me for the next couple of minutes, I'm going to teach you just how to do this and fix the issue that a lot of people have stated over $2,000 for it. I have done it for $150, including the programming of the key. Extremely easy job for everybody to do, and probably it takes less than 30 minutes for the mechanical part and then another 30 minutes for the computer to program itself basically.
So first and foremost, don't forget to disconnect the minus terminal on the battery, and for safety measures you can also disconnect the plus. Then we move on to removing all of the clips that are holding the plastic on. You can easily see that I had a pretty rough time getting those connectors out, but in the next couple of minutes I'm going to share with you how exactly I did it, and in fact it was very easy. I was just trying too hard.
I'm extremely sorry guys about the fact that I don't have a clip from me actually extracting those connectors that are extremely hard for me personally to get out. It turned to be extremely easy. I was just searching for the harder way when it was really easy. You just put a screwdriver there, turn it, and they pop out. That's it. You don't have to pick in deeply or anything. You just have to put a screwdriver slightly in and just twist it. That's it. Extremely easy job. Unfortunately for us, I cannot show you because I've already changed the ECM. But yeah, this was essentially it. And the next part you can see right here. Okay, so I'm just giving you a short heads up here before we go into any more adventures. Here I have some sticky notes, and also I have a permanent marker, which means that I can mark the cables which goes where, so that we don't unintentionally swap something out. So yeah, the plan is pretty simple. Let's look at the job now.
You can quite clearly see that it took me quite a bit of force here to get the ECU out. There is a little bit of a vacuum, so it is a little bit hard, but you can apply it on one side and then you can try to reach the other one. There is very, very tiny space, so you have to be careful, but at the same time pull a little bit harder.
As you can see here, we have the new ECU. It looks a little bit rough on the outside. I don't know what has happened to it. It looks like some water has been through it, but the pins look good. I really hope that it works, and that's it.
I didn't record assembling all the things back, but it is pretty straightforward, so you can do it by yourself. There is no problem in that. As for the next part, you have to bridge pins 4 and 13 on the OBD connector using a paper clip. Now this is pretty easy. You can see it on the picture. You can see the orientation of the OBD port here. So right side up, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the second row you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is the 5th port. So number 4 on the first row, number 5 on the second row. This is pretty much it. So after you bridge number 4 and number 13 pins, then you have to put the car in contact, meaning that you have to press the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal.
So I didn't really record the last part. As you can see, all of the lights are flashing, which means that we are on the right way here. I've bridged number 4 and number 13 pins in the OBD2 port, as you can see right about here. I'm not too sure whether you can see that. So now we are waiting 30 minutes. As you can see, we have 28 more. We're just gonna chill a little bit, and yeah, it is checking all of the things, as you can see. Also here is some sort of a secret menu, I guess. So yeah.
So that was pretty much it, guys. Now give the car a little bit of time to adapt the gearbox to your driving style, and yeah, enjoy your